It's not enough for me to know this shit. It's not enough for me to have a spreadsheet that tells me what the target numbers are. I need somebody to manage me. That's the facts. I'm the third kid of a family of 3 kids. I'm used to being mothered. I'm used to being brothered. I'm used to being looked after. I'm used to being managed a little bit. A lot of people out there are too. When I became an adult, I got rid of a lot of that in my life. Like, I got rid of a lot of that stuff where I don't need to be mothered and brothered anymore, because as an adult, guess what? Whose job is it now? Do you stop needing to be mothered when you turn 18 somehow miraculously? No, you don't. What happens then? The shift occurs where mama stops mothering you quite so much, and you're expected now to continue doing the job for her because you're an adult now. Except most of us go on a permanent fucking adult vacation and we don't even manage or parent ourselves. You got an inner child in there screaming to follow a mundane, boring, safe routine. And if you do not parent yourself and help yourself manage the routines, the habits, routines, and rituals, then guess what? You're doomed. You're doomed to live the immature business life, immature relationships, because you're not parenting yourself. Do you eat 3 sundae cones after dinner? Why? Well, because I'd get heavy. I'd gain too much weight. No, you probably don't, because when you were a kid, mama said no. And that's a part of your life you were willing to accept the responsibility of parenting yourself when mama didn't do it anymore. But there are other parts of your life that you're refusing to parent yourself in. I'm just telling you, man, we're all this way. We are all this way. Grow up, right? And make it a part of your habits, rituals, and routines. But having a spreadsheet ain't enough for me. That does not make it a habit, a ritual, or routine for me, having that damn spreadsheet. It's helpful because it gets me the target numbers, but it doesn't concrete this thing for me into my day-to-day life. So how do I do that? Let me share screens with you. This is how I do it, guys. Okay, I've got to actually share the screen with you here. Here we go. This is how I do it. Trello.com. Trello is a free app.